Hello Modernistas, how are you on this fabulous day? Today I wanted to do a video to be sure that for the ones that are not currently following me on YouTube, to definitely check out my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I will be doing fashion hauls, trying on different clothing. We will be having fashion discussions. I will also show you how to slay on any day and not break the bank. So you will see me wearing some of the same pieces, but I will definitely show you how you can wear those same pieces and mix them up with pieces that you already have and come out with a fantabulous outfit. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. Like I say, follow me on YouTube, which is at Modernistic Ensemble. That's my YouTube channel, which is the same as my business here on Instagram. And definitely check out my website, www.modernisticensemble.com. for all of the new orders. I'm doing a 10% promo right now. $8 flat shipping anywhere in the US. So definitely check me out and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.